Today I am going to draw Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra on a big size paper and also in a somewhat different way with the help of this compass. So let's first draw outline. Here I draw Neeraj Chopra with gold medal. Outline is done.
Is it okay if I'm afraid? I'm catching feelings from all the dealings.
Now it's time to... I don't know what to call this type of drawing. But I draw the whole drawing here with the help of compass. The left eye is the center point of compass.
It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her.
Here I am doing light arc in the part which is light and dark arc in the part which is dark by looking at the reference with the help of compass.
I love the fact I didn't let her go.
By making circles like this, I will complete the drawing.
Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y.
Drawing of Neeraj Chopra is complete. Now let's work in the medal. In it I have decided to use a color pencils.
Sinking, drowning, washed up recently. Feel I burst up. Only one laughing right now. Me, about to make a boatload, then you'll see. Sinking, drowning, washed up recently. Feel I burst up. Only one laughing right now. Me, about to make a boatload, then you'll see. About to make a boatload, then you'll see. About to make a boatload, then you'll see. In every predicament, I found a way out. I need a payout. Smoking an L at the Marriott. I don't need no one to tell me I'm very hot. Feet on the ground, not sober. I told the world for closure. Don't really know my worth yet. Test my self-composure. I just smile when I know they run their mouth. I'll call you out. Just ask Lowry how it goes. Talking shit about my shows. Do this shit myself, no undercover.
Most of it is done. Let's give a little bit of finishing.
Hey, yeah, lost your mind one time back there, go came back to your senses. We've all been through shit, girl, I converted 14 inches. I seen bitches, I seen bottles, breaking up some friendships. Ain't no telling what they'll do these days to get attention, yeah. Party ways if we ain't clicking like we used to click, yeah. Click.
Drawing is complete. It's time to signature.
Sick of lying, sick of.
So now enjoy the reveal.
Who can I impress next? High school in a best dress, Thai food on the bed rest. While my head lets anything bother me. See why I'm dragging myself through the mud and I'm probably jealousy budding is human psychology. Playing tricks on a fixed game, mezzanine at the next game. Self-esteem is a bitch, blame my downfall on the rich lame. I know it's embarrassing, disdain. I'm growing too arrogant, this lane gets bloody, I'm scared of it. Rarely compare it, the more that you travel, the further you wear it out. Laundry and always a new thing to care about. Praying it rains when I'm facing the drought. I can see things changing. Maybe this right here is vacation until deals with Satan. I'll sign them.
Okay, Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
I need a little time.